Aya Akashwani Itanagar. Ja Thursday, Simangshit nap December dia hajek kini yauk kini bangayang. Amanne jembangrok bangacu ngai jente menya. India Presidentu Draupadi Murmu ya Manipur ne cha lalayuang. Presiden Murmu ya cha se yang nap kini ku Manipur ne development hoyang kamku hatin ab khingkhang ta. Yangi kehup ne kechu kemema tongku amanwa 14th Dalai Lama ya hondak tete thi. Yak tungma Nobel Peace Prize ya Dalai Lama i lakachora. Yak rorang ya beceknya Arunachal ne tawang nawa Chamleng Monastery ya chumija Chief Minister Pema Khandu nyap thuntong ya tawang khonyak i Dalai Lama ne hondak matab gayam. Science Technology kuskampang ne mija Chandigarh hayachu India International Science Festival minne keje don thunjon ya Arunachal Pradesh State Council for Science and Technology shi Jury Special Mention Award takachwa. Arunachal is Science and Technology pangne yaman award kacho rorang ya bichela Deputy Chief Minister Chona Menyap hondak horomongmi. Arunachal Nwa Judges Association members don ya mija Arunachal Nwa Chief Secretary Manish Kumar Gupta phang kasaula Arunachal Pradesh Legal Services Authority Nwa rule kanun pangna takre beda. Nagaland ne Hornbill Festival juku yachu Arunachal Nwa Tourism Minister Pasang Dorji Sona nyap Nagaland government ni besame la yachu telutaka. Arunachal se Nagaland ya tourism, agriculture, business, culture se youth sports pangna klik kekokma hoyang kamku Hornbill Festival yachu Nagaland se Arunachal ya lejunjo kerebera. Panchayat election wa duty khonyak khonpe ku gari lorry rongkot ku se kuting katima kachuk kamema hoyang kampang ne Papumpare district nwa deputy commissioner se district election officer Vishakha Yadav imija UPA ne bephala duty te khonyak ne kagamalab tham boro kora. Divang Valley district neto district election officer shikapangma headquarter anine na presiding officer se polling officer don bephala yaman labs himboro leda. Panchayati Raj Niwa SDEO Linjin Itenwa Rekche ba Divang Valley district ne mutma polling station ya Sibanga. Yangi khub nwa Taikandu don te Kalyoto don yachu Arunachal khunyak kimin Rupa Bayo ya second number. Ya kejuju ma kachuk don te ya India ne yakangane mangewa. UAE country ne Asman ha yachu to yangi khub khunyak keje te ya Arm Wrestling Championship 2025 min Kalyoto don yachu Arunachal khunyak kimin Onam Gamnoi Yamaman kini number kechula silver medal tawkawan. Bidna kamte Northeast khonyaku modern tools and technology shomsma pangne sekhe kot woro ku dillin ne napsiku training program bakola mija lejakra. Yaka training program ya India Council of Agricultural Research shise Indian Agricultural Research Institute Northeast Hilly Region shi kapangma gongchanga. Arunachal Navato Tawang District khonyak mima sisinya khonyak telutaka. Khonyak rakstom khukmuma bukma lakolo na beman hoyang sepulia yatha pangne nyavinu saduna woro kotku mija Tawang hane Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya School shi kapangma cardio pulmonary resuscitation and basic life support minna training program tabkwa. Indigo yang pup ya tasepuk lak ama jaglia yabab khonyak Beskemba kola yaktuna yakare be ku Directorate General of Civil Aviation shi kapangma Indigo nawa CEO Peter Elvers ya cha leba phyale da. Indigo nawa kedongdon ya mija Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohani nya be phyala rupshet kechukma leb chot tham waro le da.